All right, so it's time to change your battery in your Acura key fob. We've got a 2020 RDX key fob here. This video will be for the 2016 through 2020 years. May apply to some other models as well. So we've got our little rubber case here. I'm going to take this thing off first. Let's start with the battery actually. So the battery we're using here is the 2032 Duracell, probably available on other brands as well, but yeah, lithium 2032 battery. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm gonna remove this rubber case that I keep on all of my key fobs. I love this case, this thing's awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in the comments actually, a link to it on Amazon, pretty cheap. Really cool for like not falling out of your pocket and whatnot. First step here is going to be opening the little latch here that removes the physical key. Pull that guy out. Now we got our key out, our physical key out. We are going to go ahead and open the case up here. So I'll just take a flathead screwdriver, any kind of screwdriver, any kind of flathead will be fine. Just make sure it's smaller. We're gonna wedge it here right in between this little key ring and the rest of the case here. And then firmly but carefully turn until you hear a little pop. All right. Okay, from there we're just gonna separate our case, exposing our battery area here. With the same, just go ahead and pop that little guy out of there. But you get the idea. Open up our other case. All right, finally got the battery out of that. That was actually more work than getting into the case itself, was getting the battery out of this shrink wrap plastic. That's usually how that goes. So now we got that out, we'll just go ahead and pop the new battery in with the Duracell logo facing up. And actually, so kind of an important detail, it wants to slide in from the left side there into place. Already saw our light come up there. I don't know if you've noticed that or not. And from there, what we're gonna do is go ahead and put our back on it. Nothing to it. Listen for the click. Insert the key back in. And you're good to go for a few more years. All right guys, hope that helped. If it did, please give a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.